225.
225.
Morning, you Ogoro.
Morning, you Ogoro. BBC. 226.
Ado Ashimu.
Ado Ashimu.
Oh my God.
Oh, my name is Casey and I'm here to vote at Wayimpa Garage. So the experience so far is the youth are volunteering to coordinate the process. At some point, I feel like INEC were understaffed, and then so with coordinating the queues, the youth are supporting, and there's also a bit of empathy towards the elders and people who have children, kids, and then people that have health issues, and you can feel the energy from the youth. So we are even helping to shout and make sure that people are doing the right thing.
And so far it has made it more fun because the sun is quite very, very hectic.
Yes, so I went back.
And it's like you're the only one drinking water, big water. Others have no water.
It's a lie. See water. And funny thing is that some people are also buying water for other people.
Okay.
So it's happening.
Okay. But beside the crowd and the challenge of crowd control, what other challenge do they have? Has there been any issue like vote buying, agents coming around, security, anything like that?
No, so far we've not seen that.
Nothing like that.
We've seen security agents, we've seen EFCC.
Okay.
So we've also seen the security and international observers and national observers as well.
Okay, international observers
and national observers, yeah, we've seen
Okay,
and media people, so we've not encountered any issue.
Okay. All right. So, but has there been any addressing by INEC official to be sure that because somebody is almost this is totally 2:30?
There was an INEC man, that elderly man. He assured that everybody here would vote because there was a time the crowd control was almost out of control.
Okay.
But the man assured everyone would vote as long as we are here before 2:30.
You will vote. Yeah. So they're taking some kind of a name register.
Yes, there's a list.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much. Yes. You're one of those that have been shouting 2:30.
No, all of us. And then these guys, they are, like I said, there are people that volunteered to do the process.
Maybe INEC should employ them after now. Well done.
Yes, so food and drink. Serious. We are trying. We are just echoing.
This is my polling unit, and it's peaceful so far here.
Okay.
But the only challenge we have that we have limited INEC staff, limited people working here, and you can see the crowd. But there's a polling unit opposite this place, and they're just few. So why do you congest over 1,000 plus people here, subject them to this hardship here? It's crazy.
They said it's here.
You can't wait. We waited there after about 3 good hours. Before they came, say our name, you are going to our name. Then they don't look at our name, say it's K. Okay? So they
referred it to you. Yeah.
We're having a little challenge here. Every other thing is going on well. The love, the hospitality is top notch. No vote buying, trust me. You understand? Everybody here is enlightened. And I can assure you, everybody here made up his or her mind from his or her home to this place to come and vote for who he or she wished to vote. So I don't think anybody can walk to anybody here. I have the guts to say I'm giving you XYZ to vote for someone the person does not wish to vote for. The challenge we're having at the moment is that INEC staff here is just a few. I think there are just about 4 of them, right? Trying to handle more than 1,000 people. I don't understand that logic. It's the math is not working in my head unless they are planning to have this particular voting for 2 to 3 days, because it will take them nothing less than 48 hours to get people voted here. And they don't have the right to say to anybody you can't vote. We all came here as early as 9-10 a.m. in the morning. Until now, we've not voted. It's crazy. As I speak to you, they've not even gotten up to 200 people that have voted, and it's just past 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, it's I think it's on this particular polling unit. I think there's a poor planning, because looking at their list, they should have known that more than 1,000 people are supposed to gather here today. So they should have employed more firepower. More hands from INEC. To handle the entire system. Well, it's quite disheartening that we'll have to stay in the sun and it looks like nothing is happening. You know, when you look at the crowd, you get discouraged. Feels like the voting is not going on, but they are working actually. You know, they have to go do the accreditation, come back, do the electronic parts and all that. So they're just going back and forth, and I think we've passed this level in this country.
It was nice talking to Chooks, and Chooks also have been one of the people, youth here, who also have been helping to do the organization, even they did say that. Just, you know, some people have volunteered themselves to organize all of this.
Yeah.
So he has been one of the people. So go check out his channel. What's the channel name?
TV Art Media, and right now we are running, we are also entrepreneurs. We do capacity building. We're doing a project called the Acting Challenge reality show. We're trying to help anybody that is interested in being a filmmaker and you want to get employed. There is a channel out there that can help you become an actor, an entertainer, and have the opportunity to make films in Nigeria and outside Nigeria and in the diaspora. That's what we're doing. So you can go to actingchallengerealityshow.com or on Instagram, go to Acting Challenge Reality Show on Instagram, or to get more information, you go to actingchallengeacademy.com and get the right information. We are here for you. Nigerians are now out for Nigerians, and I'm one of those people. Just as he rightly said, I'm not an INEC official, but we are here trying to make sure that everything works. Right? We're organizing it. Just like this man here is trying to get the information out. Nobody's paying him for this, right? Just as I said, Nigerians are out to make Nigeria great.
A new Nigeria is possible, and my generation is going to do it. So we're out here. I voted, as you can see.
Yes.
Yeah. My polling unit is 188. Warimpa, opposite Road Safety Medical Center. We came here very early, and as you can see, we initiated. Everybody that comes early should write his name and number and when you came. So because of that, when the INEC officials, they came late, but based on logistics problems, they come. And the election is going smoothly, there's no stress. Everybody's happy, as you can see, you can show them the crowd. Everybody's lining up according to the numbers. So far, 168 people are the ones that have written their names with the intention to vote.
So there are a lot of people actually, who has helped to coordinate and make this voting very much easier. All right, so I don't know what your situation is where you are voting, but from where we are in Warimpa here in Abuja, it has been very peaceful, and people have voted for value and voted for, all of that.
A new Nigeria is possible. Let's all come out and change our destinies for good.
All right.
One love. God bless Nigeria.
All right. Thank you very much. So what really motivated you to vote this time?
The country now.
The country, the way this...
and everything now. So that's the thing. So the lawlessness and actually everything is not really going on.
So you're hoping for the best candidate, right? Have you voted before? This is your first time?
This is my first time.
Okay, so what actually informed your decision to vote this time?
Because I want Peter Obi to win.
Okay, so that's why. Yes. So you think Peter Obi is the best candidate for this election?
That's right.
Based on your own experience?
That's right.
Okay, so that's why you came to vote. So you're one of those new people who are actually advocating for change.
Yes.
All right, so let's hope that Peter Obi wins, because that is the hope for many young people out there.
I'm sure you should.
Yes. All right, thank you very much for voting. What's your name again?
Edidem Solomon.
Edidem Solomon. Thank you. Are you from which part of the country are you from? Akwa Ibom.
Yes.
All right, I just wanted to get that because so that we want to get, because we will believe that Peter Obi is not an Igbo president, he's a Nigerian president.
Yes.
So we're trying to get people's opinion as well. All right, it's good that you're from Akwa Ibom because Peter Obi is not from there, but you're supporting him.
The surprise that I had yesterday, I was speaking with some Hausa boys, some like touts, not the highly placed Hausa guys.
The street guys.
Yes, the street guys.
Okay.
And they were saying they were tired of some candidates.
Okay.
They're Hausa boys, but they are tired of the Hausa people. They are tired of that they want to vote for Peter Obi. Okay. So I was very encouraged when I heard that.
That's really great. All right, so thank you very much. So we'll hope for the result.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Because of change of polling unit, a lot of people actually missed out where their polling unit is. So when they actually get to where they're supposed to vote, they have to reroute them to find their polling unit, and you have to actually go check online. And good enough, many people are also very willing to assist, help others to check online to know where their polling unit is and all of that. All right, so far so good. The voting has been going on very, very well. In this side where we are right now, the polling units, but the other polling units which we went earlier on, or we are trying to vote, have been very rowdy and crowded because of the crowd.